China's pain is India's gain. China and India are long-time enemies. For the past 3 to 4 decades, both of them have recorded stunning growth and have grabbed global attention. However, China grew faster than India and turned out to be a bully looking to intimidate the entire free world. On the other hand, India didn't grow as quickly but emerged as a responsible power. Yet, there is some good news for the world. India is now growing at China's expense. Chinese tech giants are currently undergoing a disastrous tragedy. Chinese tech giants and small companies are presently crumbling under the pressure of a brainless president announcing awkward policies day in and day out. However, as China's tech giants suffer due to power outages, tight regulatory measures, and vindictive crackdowns, Indian tech companies are making big gains. Hi and welcome. You're watching TFI English, the national socio-political and analysis arm of the TFI Media Group. I am your host Piyush, and in this video I will tell you how small little tech companies in India are on a roll because of China's crumbling base. China is done and dusted. Last year, Xi Jinping started a relentless crackdown on tech giants like Tencent and Jack Ma's Alibaba, which soon expanded into crackdowns against edutech enterprises, English teachers, and tight borrowing regulations and real estate giants. Today, the entire Chinese economy is under stress and no private business in China can breathe easily due to the ongoing carnage in the Chinese economy. Meanwhile, as factories in China face blackouts, ports get jammed, and factory gate inflation rises rapidly, Indian businesses and small companies are being embedded in global supply chain to fill in the vacuum being left behind by China's downfall. Indian tech and edutech enterprises are in particular growing at China's expense. As per Bloomberg, some little-known Indian stocks that are expected to benefit from expanding global suppliers list as well as national efforts to create worldwide champions are witnessing amazing growth. Electronic parts maker Dixon Technologies India Limited, for example, has jumped 80% this year. It is a Samsung Electronics core supplier and believes that it will be able to successfully sell its products globally. Similarly, Amber Enterprises India Limited, which supplies air conditioner parts to LG Electronics, is up by 37% on similar expectations. It has even beaten the 28% rise in the benchmark S&P BSE Sensex index. Data compiled by Bloomberg shows that Dixon's stock is trading close to 75 times its 12-month forward earnings estimate, whereas Amber is trading at about 48 times. India already has a pool of companies exporting pharmaceuticals and software services to the United States and Europe. Now, with China battling mayhem in its economy, these companies believe that they will cash in on the vacuum in global supply market. Sumit Rora, a fund manager at Smartsun Capital Pte in Singapore, said, "A lot of these stocks have gained on the concept of global companies looking to diversify away from China." In a bid to reduce Chinese education into a personal propaganda project, Xi has also clamped down heavily on the edutech, reducing several billionaire entrepreneurs into millionaires. However, Indian edutech is rising by leaps and bounds. India's online education startup Vedantu, for example, is looking to double its revenue as the effects of pandemic fade. Vedantu is now a part of Unicorn Club, private companies worth $1 billion or more. The edutech sector is bound to grow exponentially given a large audience of over 250 million students who rely increasingly on edutech enterprises for higher education entrance exams and competitive jobs examinations. A national statistical organization survey conducted between 2017 and 18 revealed that a fifth of all students relied on some sort of private coaching, which creates a sizable market for edutech entrepreneurs. Also, the presence of democratic values and freedom to private tutors allow edutech enterprises to grow even further as China-like crackdowns remain alien to India. There are 5 edutech unicorns in India today, all of whom are competing for greater market share, in sharp contrast to China, where for-profit after-school tutoring has been banned and all existing companies forced to turn into non-profit entities. Indian tech companies are not facing any power disruptions or vindictive antitrust probes, unlike China's tech enterprises. The world is getting bullish on the Indian tech sector. As such, the demise of the Chinese tech sector has emerged as a shot in the arm for India's little known tech companies to grow into big and popular giants.